On a bright and sunny day, Themyscira, the beautiful island of the Amazons, shone under the golden sun. Birds chirped, the sea waves danced, and the mighty warriors trained with their swords and shields. But suddenly, the sky darkened. A chilly wind blew across the island, and snowflakes began to fall. Diana, also known as Wonder Woman, looked up in surprise.
Snow?
In Themyscira? This is impossible. The Amazons gasped as the warm, green island turned white with frost. Trees became covered in icicles, and the sea started to freeze. The warriors shivered as the cold wrapped around them. Far away, Elsa, the queen of Arendelle, stood at the edge of a magical portal she had accidentally created. She had been practicing her ice magic when suddenly a swirling light appeared, and she had fallen through. Now she was standing in the middle of this strange, cold island. "Oh no, did I do this?" Elsa whispered, looking around at the icy land. Just then, Wonder Woman approached, her lasso of truth glowing in her hand. "Who are you, and why is our island covered in snow?" she asked firmly. Elsa stepped back, feeling nervous. "I didn't mean to. My name is Elsa, and I have ice powers. Sometimes they get out of control. I was just practicing when I ended up here." "I'm so sorry." Wonder Woman saw the honesty in Elsa's eyes. "I believe you," she said, putting her lasso away. "But we must find a way to melt this ice before it harms my people." Before they could think of a plan, a loud cackle filled the air. A swirling wind of ice and snow spun before them, and from it appeared a tall woman dressed in shimmering blue robes. Her silver eyes glowed as she laughed. "Who are you?" Elsa asked, shivering. "I am Skadi, the ancient winter goddess," the woman said. "I have been waiting for the perfect moment to claim this land. Thanks to your little accident, my power has grown. Now, Themyscira will be mine." Skadi waved her hands, and ice walls rose around them. Snowstorms raged across the island, trapping the Amazons in the cold. Wonder Woman grabbed her sword. "We must stop her, Elsa. I will fight, and you must use your magic to undo what she has done." Elsa nodded, taking a deep breath. She lifted her hands, trying to call back the snow and ice she had created. But Skadi's magic was strong. Wonder Woman charged at Skadi, deflecting ice blasts with her bracelets. She swung her sword, cutting through the ice. "Elsa, now," she shouted. Elsa focused, closing her eyes. She thought of warmth, of sunlight, of summer. A golden light sparkled in her hands, and slowly, the ice began to melt. "No!" Skadi shrieked as the snow faded. She grew weaker as the warmth returned to the island. With one final blast, Elsa sent a wave of golden ice magic at Skadi, trapping her inside a frozen crystal. Wonder Woman raised her sword high. "You have no power here, Skadi. Be gone." The ice shattered, and Skadi disappeared into the wind. The sun returned, and the island was safe once more. Elsa sighed in relief. "I didn't mean to cause trouble. Thank you for trusting me, Wonder Woman." Wonder Woman smiled. "You have a strong heart, Elsa. You used your powers for good." Elsa waved her hands, opening the portal back to Arendelle. "Maybe one day, we can meet again," she said. "I would like that," Wonder Woman replied. "Farewell, Elsa." Elsa stepped through the portal and disappeared. Themyscira was warm again, and the Amazons cheered for their victory. Wonder Woman looked at the sky and smiled. It had been a snowy adventure to remember.